Imagine effortlessly saving $1,800 a year using AI. Let's make it happen. With just a few simple tools and strategies, you can transform your financial habits and watch your savings grow. Are you ready to take control of your finances with AI? Let's dive in. Welcome to Smart Money AI. In today's video, we'll explore how AI budgeting tools can help you save $1,800 a year. We'll cover the power of AI in personal finance, step-by-step setup of these tools, and real-life examples of users just like you who have successfully saved money. Plus, I'll give you tips on customizing these tools for maximum results and analyzing your spending habits using AI data insights. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to start saving today. So, let's get started. AI has revolutionized the way we manage our finances. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns, AI can help you make informed decisions about your spending and saving. For instance, studies show that people using AI budgeting tools can reduce unnecessary expenses by up to 20%. This means that with an average monthly expenditure of $1,500, you could potentially save $300 each month, adding up to $3,600 a year. The question is, are you ready to leverage this technology for your financial health? The first step to saving money with AI is setting up a budgeting tool. One of the most popular options is Mint. To get started, download the app and create an account. Link your bank accounts, credit cards, and loans so Mint can track your transactions. Once set up, Mint automatically categorizes your spending, helping you see where your money goes. This initial setup will take about 10 to 15 minutes, but the insights you'll gain are invaluable. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can identify areas for potential savings. Let's look at some real-life examples. Take Sarah, for instance. After setting up her Mint account, she discovered that she was spending $200 a month on coffee and dining out. By using Mint's insights to create a budget, she reduced this expense by half, saving $1,200 a year. Another user, Mark, utilized the AI-driven insights of an app, "You Need a Budget," to cut back on groceries. He set a strict budget and, with the app's help, saved an additional $600 this year. These stories illustrate just how powerful AI can be in reining in your spending. Customizing your AI budgeting tools is crucial for maximizing your savings. For instance, on Mint, you can set specific goals, like saving for a vacation or paying off debt. By setting these goals, Mint will provide tailored advice on how to allocate your funds. Additionally, with an app, you can create categories for irregular expenses, such as car maintenance or holiday shopping. By anticipating these costs, you can avoid financial surprises and ensure you're always saving. Remember, the more personalized your budget, the better your results. AI tools like Personal Capital can help you analyze your spending habits. By linking your accounts, Personal Capital provides a detailed breakdown of your spending categories and trends over time. For example, if you notice a spike in entertainment spending, you can quickly adjust your budget. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed decisions about where to cut back. By analyzing these insights monthly, you can easily identify trends and adjust your budget accordingly. Another fantastic feature of AI budgeting tools is setting up alerts for overspending. Apps like Pocket Guard allow you to set spending limits in various categories. Once you exceed these limits, you'll receive an immediate notification. This proactive approach not only keeps you accountable but also helps you curb impulsive purchases. By monitoring your spending in real time, you can maintain control over your finances and ensure you stay within budget. Automating your savings can significantly enhance your financial health. Consider using an AI tool like Capital, which allows you to set rules for automatic savings. For example, you can set a rule that rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and saves the difference. If you spend $3.50, Capital will save 50 cents. Over a year, these small amounts can add up to hundreds of dollars without you even noticing. By automating your savings, you ensure that you're consistently building your savings without the temptation to spend that money. In today's world, managing subscriptions can be overwhelming. AI tools like Truebill can help you track and manage all your subscriptions in one place. You can see which services you use regularly and which ones you may want to cancel. By identifying unused subscriptions, you could easily save $100 to $200 a year. This is a simple way to declutter your financial commitments and keep more money in your pocket. Another great strategy is leveraging cash back and rewards programs. Many AI tools can help you maximize these benefits, such as Rakuten. By using Rakuten when shopping online, you can earn cash back on purchases you were already planning to make. On average, users receive around $200 a year in cash back. By integrating this into your budgeting strategy, you'll be surprised at how much you can save simply by using the right apps while shopping. Regularly reviewing your financial goals is essential for maintaining your savings momentum. Set aside time each month to evaluate your budget and goals within your AI budgeting tool. This reflection will help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. If you find that you're consistently overspending in one category, it may be time to reevaluate your priorities. Remember, financial goals are dynamic and should evolve as your circumstances change. AI tools aren't just for budgeting, they can also provide insights into investments. Platforms like Wealthfront use AI to manage investments and provide personalized advice. By analyzing your risk tolerance and financial goals, Wealthfront can create an investment strategy tailored just for you. This can lead to better long-term savings as your investments grow over time. Consider using such tools to not only save but also make your money work for you. Creating an emergency fund is a crucial part of financial planning, and AI tools can make this easier. Use apps like Digit that analyze your spending habits to determine how much you can save each month without feeling the pinch. Digit automatically transfers small amounts to your savings account, helping you build an emergency fund over time. Aiming for 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses could save you from financial disaster when unexpected expenses arise. Finally, while AI tools are incredibly powerful, enhancing your financial literacy is equally important. Understanding basic financial principles will help you make better decisions and utilize these tools more effectively. Consider taking online courses or reading books about personal finance to improve your knowledge. Remember, the more you know, the better equipped you are to save and invest wisely. Empower yourself with knowledge to maximize your financial future. To recap, we've covered how AI budgeting tools can help you save $1,800 a year by providing insights, automating savings, tracking spending, and even managing investments. By setting up these tools, customizing them to your needs, and regularly reviewing your financial goals, you can take control of your finances like never before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for more money-saving AI strategies every week. Remember, your financial future is in your hands, and with AI, it's never been easier to save smartly.